Hi guys, and welcome to the session of Introduction to Java. In today's session, you will learn how to download and install Java in your computer machine. So it is a very simple to download Java. You will simply write download Java in Google search box. You will get the first link of oracle.com. You will click on this link and this link will redirect you to the page of Java download, and here you will get your latest version of Java. So your latest version is currently Java 17 and it is totally free to download. So to write your Java programs, you must need to download and install Java in your computer. So Java is found for different operating systems like Linux, for Mac operating system and for Windows. So in today's session, I will show you how to install Java for Windows operating system. So here you can see you have three different options to download Java using archive. Second one is using installer and third one using MSI installer. So I will recommend you to download the second one, that is x64 installer. So this is for 64-bit operating system. You will click on this link and here it will show how to save your file in your computer. So this file is of 152 megabyte. You will click on save file. Your download will start. So I already downloaded this file. So I will not download it again. So I will just cancel this download and let me show you the file. So after downloading file, it will be looks like this. So to install JDK in your machine, you will right click on this setup, run as administrator. You will click on yes, and here you will see, you will click on next. Then here you can see where Java is installed. So Java will save in your computer folder C drive program files under Java folder, and go to next, and here your Java is installing. It will take couple of seconds, maybe 5 to 10 seconds to install Java in your computer. So just you need to wait for some time. Now your Java is installed successfully. You will click on this close, and how to check it is installed or not. You will go to command prompt cmd, and here you will write simply Java. So you can see Java is working. So how to check which version have you installed in your machine? So you will write Java version. So this is, it will show the Java JDK 17.0.2 is installed in your machine. Now you are ready to write and run your Java programs. So this is how to download and install latest Java 17 in your computer machine on Windows. So this is for today's session. We'll see you in the next interesting session of Java. Bye bye. Have a good day.